Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Had really fun with a song from Taboo and will.i.am, East LA, alright? So maybe recognize this song, maybe have heard about Santana, I believe so. Maria Maria, that is a famous song, and they just hooked it up with this and they made this version of it. And yeah, it's actually not just on version of it. It's actually a new song, but yeah, I think you can recognize the main pattern in the song. So we're gonna look into this one, East LA, and I have no use for any capo on this one. I'm aware of it's played a lot higher, actually one octave up. So if we would match up with the sound with the easiest chords possible, we would have a capo high up on the 12th frets. If you want to put a capo on there and just follow the same patterns, it's okay for you. I will not use a capo. I'm going clean here. We're gonna do it simple. So let's go into it and learn the chords. So we're gonna start with A minor. We have only A minor and D minor played here. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord and final will be the D minor. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E, of course. So A minor and D minor. All right, so there we have the chords. And now let's go into the pattern. We have A minor played like this. Okay, so you're gonna play and hold the full chord. Open A, second D, second G, open B, first B, back to open B, second G, and open A. Okay, so pretty much a pyramid down and back up again. So like that's a couple of rounds. Then we have the same pretty much pattern when it comes to D minor. So grab that chord and we're gonna go okay, so again, you're gonna hold the chord and play open D, second G, third B, open high E, and first high E, back to open high E, third B, and open D. So slowly. And a couple of rounds. Okay, so there you have the patterns, and what you're going to play here is A minor for melody rounds, D minor 2, and back to A minor 2. So it both starts and ends on A minor. So A minor is what's rolling the most here. You have A minor 4, D minor 2, A minor 2. And then you start again with A minor 4, D minor 2, A minor 2, and it just keeps on like that. All right, so I'm going to play it for you. It goes like this. Yes, there you have the melody. Now let's go into the strumming and grab the chord as it is, A minor, one string around goes down, down, clap, down. So, okay, so two downs, clap, and one down. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, 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 clap, down. All right, so there you have it. And when it comes to amount of string rounds, you're gonna double up here compared to the melody rounds. So that means you're gonna play A minor, 8 string rounds, D minor 4, and back to A minor 4. And that just rolls when it comes to the strumming. It sounds like this. starts a new round. All right. Now you can combine the melody with the strumming, and you have to do it in your own way, but this follows very logically. You have that pattern of melody, and now you can just adopt the strumming pattern into it. That means you're gonna play down, down, and then on that third note, the second fret G string, you have the clap, and then comes the open B. That is the last down in the first string around, and then you continue with a new string around within this melody, the next four notes, which are the down, down, clap, down. So it fits perfectly well, this melody with the strumming. And if you want to, you can try to hit these melody notes once you're playing the strumming and try to build in the clap, so it could sound something like this. And D minor. Back to A. And so on. Have fun with it, guys. You have all the tools and melody strumming to handle will.i.am, Taboo's East LA. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, support me here on Going Guitar. And that's it. Till next time, play tuned.